Are you feeling overwhelmed by constant digital notifications? Instagram reels one after another, then WhatsApp groups exploding, demanding your endless attention. The attention economy demands constant engagement, taking a deep psychological toll, subtly blurring our days into a perpetual digital haze. Do you ever feel your brain is totally fried, like after endless scrolling, you can't even recall what you just read a few minutes ago? Welcome to the Focused Life YouTube channel. We unravel how digital overload impacts us and explore solutions for a calmer, more focused mind. How can we truly reset our brains from all the constant digital input, cutting through the noise to find clarity, energy, and peace? Introducing the 24-hour digital reset, a simple routine designed to help you regain control and refresh your entire mental state. This powerful 24-hour brain reset enhances focus, dramatically reduces stress, and helps break those pervasive bad digital habits. It's a science-backed method, helping you unplug and declutter your mind, as explored in various videos like the 24-hour turnaround. The ultimate goal? To feel mentally fresh again. This routine is crafted to help you reset and gain control of your daily life. Why does it work? Digital fasting impacts brain health by reducing constant stimulation, allowing your neural pathways to recover and rebalance. It helps regulate dopamine levels and restores diminishing attention spans, which suffer greatly from constant scrolling and notification pings. Many find their head feels clearer than it had in months, experiencing improved concentration and mood after just one screen-free day. Phase 1. Preparation. Before jumping in, set clear boundaries. Decide exactly what digital means for your 24-hour break. Choosing a start time for your 24-hour digital detox is crucial. Pick a day without critical online obligations or deadlines. Inform others you'll be offline for 24 hours to avoid interruptions. A simple message can prevent worry and unexpected calls. Plan engaging alternative activities to fill your screen-free period, like reading a physical book, enjoying nature, or trying a new hobby. This means no phone, no laptop for notes, and absolutely no YouTube as background noise for an entire 24-hour period. Zip? Phase 2. Navigating the 24 hours. This is where you bravely step into the silence and notice the initial feelings that arise. Fully engage with real life and your immediate environment. Embrace the sounds, sights, and sensations you usually overlook. Pay attention to self-reflection and note any weird feelings or urges to check your device. Observe without judgment. You might discover good surprises, unexpected moments of joy, creativity, or connection that were previously obscured by screens. By the end of your 24 hours, many report their head feeling clearer than it had in months, experiencing a profound mental shift. Phase 3. Mindful Reentry. The detox isn't only about abstaining, but learning how to mindfully reintegrate technology into your life. Reflect on your experience to sustain new habits post-detox. What felt good? What can you change permanently to reduce screen time? Remember how innocent phone use can escalate? For a college student, it might start with checking timetables, gradually leading to 8 to 9 hours screen time daily. One of the biggest benefits is reclaimed focus. Experience better concentration, leading to improved productivity and deeper engagement in tasks. Embrace significantly reduced anxiety and stress. The digital reset helps calm your nervous system, promoting a sense of inner peace. Bid farewell to late-night scrolling and hello to improved sleep quality. Reduce screen time before bed leads to deeper, more restorative rest. Cultivate heightened self-awareness. Understand your triggers, your habits, and your true priorities, rather than responding reactively. Finally, reclaim a profound feeling of control over your technology, your time, and ultimately, your own valuable life experiences. Are you ready to reclaim your brain from the algorithm? Give this 24-hour digital reset a try and share your experiences below.